How to add any credit or debit card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the wallet application on your device and you will see the option to add a credit or debit card to wallet there. So tap on the add button you see there, and just in case if you don't see the add option, then tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the debit or credit card option. Tap on that and then tap on the continue button, and further you can add the details by entering the details manually or simply scanning. For instance, I will add the details manually, so you will be required to enter your name and your card number as your card information. Once entered, tap on next, and with this the card will be added to your Apple Wallet. So this is how you can add debit or credit card to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.